Welcome to another month, and hopefully spring stays from now on, because weather has been so hectic recently that it was giving me such a headache. How are you? I have another Star Wars unboxing for you today. I noticed on Mandarake that a dual set became available. Quinlan was and Vilmarh Grahrk. I hope I pronounce it right. Along with a comic book from the Star Wars Republic series from the early 2000s. If you have been following my channel for some time now, you might remember that I adore this character, Quinlan was, Next to Anakin, he's easily my favorite prequel Jedi, and of course, I love his Padawan, Aayla Secura too. And I secretly ship them. What? So anyway, I did not have this figure yet, and whenever I went to a Star Wars convention here in my country, none of the sellers had it, or any of Aayla for that matter, so I took the opportunity and ordered it from Mandarake. I'm not particularly fond of the other one, Vilmarh, but the two characters have a connection in the Republic comics, so I guess that's the reason they were released together. As it can be seen in the background, the set comes with a comic book, Republic issue number 19, Twilight, which would be in a lovely condition if it wasn't that smelly. It has that noticeable moldy smell, like any paper that has been exposed to humidity, so I guess there is nothing that can be done about that. The two figures are really tiny, about 10 centimeters tall, the size of my old Taiko Calcio figure. I've collected the rest of the gang, my other statues, action figures and 3D printed ones for the comparison. The unleashed Aayla Secura has a bent action pose, so it's not easy to measure, but the Black Series Aayla is about 16 centimeters tall. The printed one is about 23 with the base, while the printed Quinlan is about 24 or 25 centimeters tall. I'm still baffled Quinlan does not have a Black Series edition yet, when everybody and their second cousins already have one, but one day, maybe one day. Anyway, this has been a short video. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next one.